What's up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly boost stuff sorry, I paused it by accident. And the way that I personally like to do it. So a lot of people go through Instagram. I instead like to do this. So find whichever if you want to boost a 5 people post, that works. If you're just doing it to get followers, and just find whichever one is performing the best by going here. So let's just pretend for a second that this is your 5 people post that you want to boost. You're just going to go click on, you want to use business Facebook, right? So you just type in business.facebook.com, right? And it will take you here, and then it will take you right to your main page. And this is where your Facebook and Instagram is connected. So we're going to boost this one just as example purposes. Let's just pretend this is a 5 people post, and it'll give you some options, get more profile visits, get more messages, or get more website visitors. I would do the get more profile visits, so show your ad to people who are likely to visit your Instagram profile instead of get more messages, because we want people engaging on it, right? Commenting heck yeah or hell yeah or whatever. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. So button label, visit Instagram profile, that's cool. And then the important part is right here where you're gonna put your audience. So we're gonna click on create new, and typically I would suggest to do at least age 25 to 26, right? Someone in an older demographic that has more money, to about 50. And then just make sure you name it so you can remember if it was a good targeted audience. If you're just doing men, do men. If you're doing women, do women. If not, do all. And just name it as like busy professionals 25 to 40. And then what you're going to do is make sure you put United States right here. And then for the detailed targeting, what you want to do is browse, and right here it will say like education, financial, life partners, relationship, work. So I would type in like CFO, CMO, CFO. Why is it not working? CMO. I think you might have to type it fully out. Chief marketing. So see how it says demographics? That's a little bit different than interests, right? So chief marketing officer, and then you want to put other good jobs, right? Nurse, and that will be there should be a demographics like dental nurse, as you can see here, nurse anesthetist. Sorry, I don't know what that is. Clinical nurse specialist, that's a good one, right? Or it really just depends on your niche. Like obviously, if you're helping lawyers, then specifically, then put lawyers, but not. I wouldn't put for the interest. I would put for demographics, right? Because anybody could be interested. I mean, a criminal might be looking up in a lawyer, and we probably don't want to attract that, right? So financial, you can even go to income. You can go to top household type, top 5% of zip codes. You can type in more jobs up here if you want, but that would be in a demographics, okay? Interest is a little bit different. You probably don't even have to do interests or behaviors. Sometimes behaviors is cool because you can do like traveling people, stuff like that. If you're specifically helping people who are married, then obviously you can go to relationship status, married, or maybe you're helping guys, let's say for example, you're helping guys get into better relationships, and you could put divorced right here, right? Is a good idea. And you got work down here, you got industries, right? Large business to business enterprises, administrative services. So you got more, business decision makers might be a good one. Business and finance, that's a good one. Start checking off these good ones. Company size, more than 500 employees, right? So obviously, if they're working with something like that, then you got job titles. Let's close this down. Industries, job titles would probably be. I don't know why it's not working. Industries, yeah, it's weird. It's not working. Maybe if we type in job titles here. Nope, that didn't work. I don't know why that button isn't clicking, but it should be showing like job titles, but for some reason it's not. It's just showing industries. Okay, maybe you help, you could put veterans if you're helping people in the military. Just this all depends on your niche, right? For interests, I would just, probably leave that away unless it matches, one of your niches. For behaviors, you got certain things that you can put like, you probably don't really have to mess with too much here. but sometimes some marketers will, target like what kind of phone they have and stuff like that. Make sure that they have mobile access. I really wouldn't worry about this too much. And yeah, hopefully this makes sense. From here, you're just going to save that, right? And from here, we're good to go. So we click on save audience, and now you got it saved. So if it performs well, then you can just keep using that same audience if it performs well and you're getting good leads from it, right? This is where you adjust the price. That just really just depends on you. You start out with $5 per day. So you just change this to 7 days if you want to run it for 7 days, and obviously that would be $35, I believe, right? Boom. So 35. Oh no, that'd be $35 a day. Sorry. So you just put it down to $5 a day. If you want to do $10 per day, then just put it right there, and the total amount that you spend will be $70. And this is like just the time range, so on and so forth. Very, very simple. Make sure you have a payment method linked in, which you probably should have in there by now. But again, this is it. It's very, very simple. You can also run it to Facebook if you choose to. Our client Michelle, who made like $4,000 or something like that, was off of only spending like 100, maybe $150. She did it off of Facebook, and actually, I think the way you do that is you have to, you got to go to you got to do it from your Facebook. So hopefully this training helped you, and we'll see you on the next one.